Hi there, Jamie here from Poodle Press. I hope you're well. So here's a quick tutorial on how to create an entry page to your shop. So here's an example of what I'm going to show you how to do. So you'll see that this site here has just a simple photograph, a full screen photograph with an enter button on it. You'll see there's no header along the top here and there's no footer down here at the bottom. And I'm going to show you how you do this. So I'm just going to revert my site to how it would normally be, and I'm going to show you how you can achieve this in just a few minutes. Okay, so this is how your site might look to start with. So you see I've just added a few things back on here, the default settings ready. So we've got our header along the top here, and if I scroll down you'll see we've got our sort of very typical storefront shop with our products, and then you'll see we've got a footer down here as well. So I'm just going to show you how I changed that into the page I showed you previously. So the first thing you'll need to do is just set this photograph here with this text and your enter button, and that's just very simple. You just click on customize. And this is the new feature in Storefront Pro where you can set an image here. And so it's just go to header and navigation and then header type. And then you're going to set this as a slider. Now it's not going to slide because we're just going to put one photograph in here. Now if I scroll down, you'll see this is where you upload your slide image. So you just choose whatever photograph you want to set there. And this is my text here, which is going to show along here. I've just put some dummy text in there, and you'll see this is my button text, and that's the button link. Now I've got mine going to my shop, but that can go to anything you like. If you want to change the style of that, that's all in here as well. So this is your font that you can choose from. So that's the font there. So you can select whatever font you want. Your header hero title size is the size of this here. So you can set that just with this little slider here. And you can also set your text size, which is this, with this slider there, and that will also change the button size as well. Your button colors are all set in content and then buttons here. So this is where your background color for your buttons are set. So you've got full control over this layout here as well. Okay, so that's the first bit. The second bit is to start to turn off some bits of the site, so we're only left with this big photograph really. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn off the header and the footer, and that's very simple. You see there's an option up here that says customize page. Just click onto that, and this is the page customizer that is part of Storefront Pro. You'll see it's just here. It should take you there automatically, and we're just going to go to header, and we're going to hide the header, and you'll see the header will disappear from along here. Ta-da, brilliant. And then we're going to hide the footer, which is just in footer, and hide the footer. And if I scroll down, you'll see the footer will then go as well. So we're getting there. So we're almost there in terms of this image, but we next need to get rid of all this stuff down here in terms of our shop stuff. And that is very simple. This is just part of Storefront. We just need to change the page template. So you go to edit page. And all you need to do is over here on the right hand side, let's make this bigger, you'll see here we've got template. Now it may well be set to the home page template, and that template is going to bring in all those products and all those categories on your page, on your home page. So if you select either full width or default, that's going to change that, and it won't bring those products into that page anymore. And let me show you this now. When we go back to the site after that's saved, you'll see that underneath here, now we've got rid of all those products. So now we just have a nice big photograph with an enter button, and when somebody clicks on that, it'll actually take them to wherever you want within your site. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you've got any questions, please post them in the comments below.